Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight we're in San Antonio, Texas, and we're at Lynn's World Buffet. So here's the buffet. Wow, look at this. All the desserts. Look at this. Wow. It's a whole lot of choice. There's sushis. Sauces. Rice, noodles. Egg rolls, as we call them, spring rolls back home. More sushis. Salad bar. Ooh, prawns. And mussels. Round one. Fight.
At all.
Pretty good. I don't know what I got earlier. I've got a bit of everything. So, of course, I had to go with a big red. When in Texas and all that. Oh yeah. That's going to make my lips red. So you go to a Chinese buffet with Chris, and he gets fruit.
Give him time.
Chris, what's all that about?
We'll get it.
I got some shrimp.
Here you go, Chris.
Check out these melons. Jerry is on the plate 2.
Round two. Fight. Trying a bit of Kung Pao chicken. Don't know what that is either.
It's chicken that when they make it, they go
Kung Pao. Round three. Fight. Oh no, I forgot to say, I've just had steak. I did not realise that you could get steak on demand. So there's a whole new counter which I forgot to film, which has steak, jack potato, garlic bread, pizza, and pho. P-H-O. Some people say pho, but its real name is pho. So I believe. I could be wrong. Ooh, and Ellie just reminded me, you also get brisket. Round five. Fight. Apple pie and ice cream. Finish him. Lucan wins. So there you have it. That was Lynn's Chinese buffet here in San Antonio, Texas. Fantastic. I do recommend it. Really, really nice. Awesome. Anywho, 97% of you lot who are watching this right now are not subscribed. So do me a favor, go down and hit that subscribe button. Help me out. It really does make a difference. See you on the next one.
So my name is Irene. It's time to do that.
Close enough. Perfect.